Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the outer valves to increase highlight range mod. I show you guys how to install it. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and select this picture. This mod increases how far you can see highlighted items in the outer valves too, making loot and interactable visible from long distance. And as you can see unmodded, as you can see there is no highlighted. In modded you can able to see green triangle, just quickly visible objects. And now just scroll down and you can able to see where to install the mod. I'll show you guys how to do that. You just need to go to files and scroll down, increase highlight range 10 times, depends on your need. You just need to download the mod. I'm going with the 10 times and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then right click on the downloaded file and select open with WinRAR. Now you just need to navigate to the game folder. If you doesn't know where the game is, then check my video description for this file path. Just navigate to this path. You just need to copy this mods text like this, and in packs folder, in my case if you doesn't have this mods folder, then you just need to create it, guys. Just right click on the blank area and select new and select folder and paste the mods text we copied and press enter. And now open the mods folder and just drag and drop these mods inside, and now we have successfully installed the mod. Description you can able to see, drop in here. After installing the mod, you can open the game and enjoy the game, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.